Hello friends, I am here with MCQs on factors of production. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1 is which factor of production is considered passive factor in classical economics? A. Land, B. Labor, C. Capital, D. Entrepreneurship. Answer is A. Land. Land is considered a passive factor because it cannot initiate production by itself. Labor and entrepreneurship are active factors. Question number 2. The concept of human capital primarily involves which factor of production? A. Labor, B. Capital, C. Entrepreneurship, D. Land. Answer is A. Labor. Human capital refers to the skills, education, and training possessed by labor, increasing productivity. Question number 3. Reward to entrepreneurship in the production process is A. Rent, B. Wages, C. Profit, D. Interest. Answer is C. Profit. Entrepreneurs take risks and organize production, therefore, their reward is profit. Question number 4. Which of the following is an example of fixed capital? A. Raw materials, B. Electricity, C. Building and machinery, D. Wages paid to workers. Answer is C. Building and machinery. Fixed capitals refers to long-term capitals, assets used repeatedly in production. They are less movable. They don't move from one place to other. Machinery can move, but buildings can't. Question number 5. The supply of land is said to be perfectly inelastic because A. Land area does not increase with demand for land never changes. C. Land is man-made. D. Land can be transferred. Answer is A. Land area does not increase. Total land available is fixed and cannot be expanded. Hence, supply is inelastic. Question number 6. Which is not an example of labor in economics? A teacher giving lectures, a robot assembling cars, a doctor treating patients, a driver operating a truck. Answer is A. Robot assembling cars. Robots are capital, not labor. Labor refers to human effort. Question number 7. Which of the following is included in capital formation? A. Increasing natural resources. B. Buying new machinery. C. Enhancing rainfall. D. Expanding forests. Answer is B. Buying new machinery. Capital formation involves increasing man-made productive assets like tools, infrastructure, and machinery. Question number 8. Which factor of production is responsible for innovation? A. Labor, B. Land, C. Entrepreneurship, D. Capital. Answer is C. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs innovate, introduce new techniques, and take the risks of production. Question number 9. Which of the following correctly pairs the factor of production with its reward? A. Land, profit. B. Labor, rent. C. Capital, wages. D. Entrepreneurship, profit. Answer is D. Entrepreneurship, profit. Correct pairing is entrepreneurship with profit. So land gets rent, labor gets wages, capital gets interest, and entrepreneurship earns profit. Question number 10. Machinery is an example of which type of capital? A. Human capital. B. Working capital. C. Fixed capital. D. Land capital. Answer is C. Fixed capital. Machinery is long-lasting and used repeatedly. Therefore, it is fixed capital. Question number 11. Which of the following statements best describes working capital? A. Money used to buy land. B. Capital used for daily operations. C. Long-term investments in buildings. D. Entrepreneurs' innovation ability. Answer is B. Capital used for daily operations. Working capital includes raw materials, money, and inventory used in daily production. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a characteristic of labor? A. Perishable. B. Mobile. C. Passive. D. Heterogeneous. Answer is C. Passive. Labor is an active factor. Land is passive. Question number 13. In agriculture, which factor is becoming increasingly important with modern technology? A. Land. B. Labor. C. Capital. D. Climate. Answer is C. Capital. Modern agriculture depends heavily on tractors, irrigation systems, fertilizers, and technology. Question number 14. Human capital formation depends most on A. Natural resources. B. Machinery. C. Education and health. D. Rent. Answer is C. Education and health. Human capital improves through investment in health, care, education, and skill development. Question number 15. An entrepreneur's function includes all except A. Risk taking, B. Organizing production, C. Providing wage labor, D. Decision making. C is providing wage labor. Providing labor is not the entrepreneur's function. Organizing labor is the function of entrepreneur. Question number 16. Which of the following is an example of intangible capital? A. Factory building. B. Brand reputation. C. Tools and machines. D. Transport vehicles. Answer is brand reputation. B. Intangible capital includes goodwill, reputation, and patents. Question number 17. Which factor of production is most closely associated with economic growth? A. Labor. B. Capital formation. C. Natural resources. D. Rent. Answer is B. Capital formation. More capital leads to more productivity, which leads to faster economic growth. Question number 18. Risk bearing in production is a key function of A. Labor. B. Capital. C. Land. D. Entrepreneurship. Answer is D. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs bear the uncertainty and business risk. Question number 19. A farmer leasing land from another person is paying for which factor of production? A. Labor. Second. B. Capital. C. Land. D. Entrepreneurship. C is land. Payment for use of land is rent. Question number 20. The productivity of labor can be increased primarily through A. More rainfall. B. Better tools and training. C. More land availability. D. Higher wages only. Answer is B. Better tools and training. Productivity depends on skill, education, health, and capital tools, not just wages. So that's all. Thank you.